Now we going to discuss median. Dear children, median. So what is median? What is median? Median is the measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation in the given data. Median is measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation of the given data. The value of middlemost observation of the given data. The value of middle observation of the given data. Median. Median is measure of central tendency which gives the value of middle observation of the given data. Median is measure of central tendency which gives the value of middle observation of the given data. In a given data, if we arrange in descending order or in ascending order, in that order the middlemost observation is the median for that given data. So this is the definition. So this can be understood very easily with a few examples. Find the median of the observations two, 10, 7, 5, 6, 9, 8, 0, 11, 13 and 12. So we have to find the median for this given data. So this is ungrouped data. This is ungrouped data. So this ungrouped data is arranged in a particular order, either ascending order or descending order. So we arrange this observation in ascending order. So the smallest one is 0, okay, then 2, after 2 there is no 3 and there is no 4, 5, 6, after 6 is 7, after 7 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are the observations. Okay. So here we strike smallest one and bigger one. Next remaining in this, again remove small one and big one. Again in this remaining, again remove small one and big one, and similarly the small one and big one. And there are 3 observations among this, again small one and big one. So this is the observation which is in the middle. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 observations, and to this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to this observation, this side 5 observations, this side 5 observations are removed, and 8 is the only one. So this is the median of the above data. Right. So this is the median for this given data. And take another example. Find the median of data 20, 30, 24, 16, 10, 5, 12, 13, 17 and 24. So to find the median of this data, we have to arrange these observations in any order, either ascending order or descending order. So we arrange the data in ascending order. Arranging the data in ascending order. Ascending order. So in this, among this, which is the smallest one? 5 is the smallest one. 5. After that 5, then 10. After 10, 12. There is no 11. Okay. 12, 13. After 13, 16. And then 17. After 17, no 18 and 18 and no 19, only 20. After 20, 24, and here is also 24, and the remaining, what is next one? 30. Okay, all are okay. These are the observations which are arranged in ascending order. So again, remove smallest one, largest one. In this remaining observations, again small one, big one, small one, big one. Again there are 4 observations. Among these, again remove small one and big one. There are 2 observations. If you remove these 2, you won't get in any middle value. So these are the only 2 values which are in the middle. So to this there are 4 values, and to these 2 values there are 4 values. So 4 left side are removed, and right side also 4 values are removed. 4 observations are removed from left side and right side. So there are 2 values are left in between this data. So here median of the given data is equal to 16 plus 17 by 2 is equal to how much? This is 33 by 2, which is equal to 16.5. So this is the median for this given data. Okay. So here if you observe this data, okay, see here, if you observe this data, if we arrange this in ascending order, this first one and second one, observe among these in this observation, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 observations. So number of observations are 11. Okay, and this 11 is odd number. Okay, number of observations are 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 observations. Okay, and what is the median of the observation? If you count from starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sixth observation is median. So here sixth observation, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Okay, sixth one. So this is the sixth observation. The median is sixth observation. And in this example, second, How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 observations. So this 10 is even number. This 10 is even number. If the number of observations are even, that is 10, 8, 12, 14, 16, like that. If the number of observations are even, then we have two observations in the middle. To find the median of this observation, we take the average of these two observations. So here 16 and 17, these two are the middlemost values in the observation, and the average of this 16 plus 17 by 2 is equal to 16.5. This is the median. So from these two examples we can conclude that to find the median of the ungrouped data, what is that? Ungrouped data. To find the median of ungrouped data, what we do? We first arrange the data in an order, that is maybe ascending or descending order. So here we arrange it in ascending order. Ascending or descending order. Then if the number of observations n, number of observation is denoted by n, and this n is odd. If the number of observation is odd, maybe 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, like that, the number of observations are like that, then the median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. If the number of observations are, the n is odd, then which one is the median of that observation? N plus 1 by 2th observation. So here look in the first example here, first one, the number of observations are 11. Okay, the number of observations are 11. So among these, which is the, if we arrange in ascending order, which one is the median? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. The sixth one is the median. So how we got sixth from 11? 11 plus 1 by 2, we get 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So this 6 is got like this. So therefore, if the number of observations n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2th observation is the median for that given data. Or if the number of observations n is even, then the median is n by 2th and n by 2th plus 1th observations average. So in second example, what we discussed here. In this second example, how many observations are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the number 10 is even number, and this the order of the 16 is 1 2 3 4 5. How we get 5 from 10? If you divide 10 by 2, we get 5. So 10 by, so half of the 10 is 5, the fifth one, okay, and this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is sixth one. And how we get sixth one? If you divide 10 by 2 and add 1 to this, we get 6. Therefore, if the number of observation n is even, then the median is n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations average. We have to take the average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations. So we get 2 observations in the middle. If the number of observations are 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 10 or 12, 14, 16, 18, like that. If the number of observations are even, then we get middlemost values, 2 values, n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. These are the 2 observations. The order of the observation is these 2. So we have to take the average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation, so that we have to remember these 2 points. Okay.